Hey, are you in the market for a new Apple MacBook Pro? Well, here's something that can actually save you a lot of time and money. My name is Vaibhav and I'm a content creator based here in the UAE, and this is my 16-inch MacBook Pro that I use for things like video editing, photo editing, writing, multimedia consumption, and a lot more. Despite needing an immense amount of storage for these things, I decided not to opt for the 8TB version of the MacBook Pro, which would have set me back 9,240 dirhams. Instead, I went with the SanDisk G-Drive with 12 TB of storage for just 1,599 dirhams. The hard drive is encased in a beautiful industrial design that's stackable, offers strength thanks to its anodized aluminium, and it's Mac ready with Apple Time Machine backup support right out of the box. If you're on Windows though, it's also easy to reformat for support. The setup process for the drive is easy and intuitive. Simply connect it to a power source and subsequently connect it to your machine via the Type-C to Type-C cable provided. As far as speeds go, this drive is capable of 280 Mbps read and write speeds. For my workflow, it serves as a repository for all my working files. For example, instead of having to transfer all my files from my SD card to my MacBook, I can now transfer them directly onto the SanDisk G-Drive thanks to the reliable 7,200 RPM enterprise class hard drive inside. The transfer is fast, smooth, and seamless, and from there on, I can edit content directly from the drive. There's no lag in trying to drag and drop files onto my timeline either, and everything when it comes to editing videos is effortless. More so, the drive could be used for photos, videos, and multimedia storage with quick access whenever required. At the end of the day, the SanDisk G-Drive provides all the benefits and features of a native storage solution for a fraction of the price. You can easily take it anywhere with you, and if you're in the market for a MacBook or any Windows laptop, you can definitely save quite a lot of money going for a lower storage machine and opting for this drive separately.